Alright, YouTube. So, today we're doing a change of a clutch cable on an 02 Harley Davidson Sportster. This is a XLH 883, but it's bored out, so it's a 1200. But these parts are going to be all the same. So, I've already done the job, but I'm going to show you what to do. So the old brake cables over there, our clutch cables over there, and when it was leaking, I touched this and it just snapped off, so I was able to get the old one out, put the new one in. But the tricky thing here is this is like a reverse thread. This gasket comes off, replace that while you're doing it, and there's an O-ring inside here. Replace that when you're doing it, just in case that's the source of a leak. It's always good to do it. And then use chapstick, any kind, to stick the O-ring off, because it'll just keep falling off while you're working on it. I mean, when you're done, that's what you do. So you pop this off here. If it didn't fall out when you unscrewed it already, when you took off the they call this like a derby plate, or however you want to call this, the clutch cover. So this pops off. Again, I already put chapstick on here just to get a little bit of suction. Take that off, put it to the side, keep your stuff organized, don't lose parts. And you go, and this won't come out until you screw this right. Now you're thinking, whoa, right's the wrong way. Whatever happened to righty tighty, lefty loosey? Well, this is a reverse thread, and when you screw it to the right, this will come all the way out. Oops, that's the wrong blade. You gotta get a screwdriver that fits inside the hole. You don't want to strip anything. So here we go. Screw it all the way in until this thing just pops right out. Once this has enough looseness, it'll just fall right out, and then you can get yourself actually this has to come out. You have to unscrew this. Oh, it was gonna fall out anyways, but you unscrew this little doodad. Don't look at me for proper terminology. And then this right here will come out at a certain angle. Okay, alright, don't prove me a liar, but this thing does come off. You'll see it. It has a certain angle, and then this is just done. You put this on the new one, you put that angle back, and just do exactly what I just did in the reverse. Tighten it up. When you put these clutch cover on, you want to scrape off that old red Loctite and put some new Loctite on, because this will vibrate out. And there you go, spilling your oil all over the place and not able to get home. So get Loctite on those. You don't have to go super fancy or super expensive. Harbor Freight sells one. Take this, flip it around, same way that you had it. Just do that in there. You can go through with that screwdriver. And make it all tight again. And just snug, don't go crazy. Okay, so it's on there tight. It's tight. And then, again, chapstick will keep that buddy. Oh, this is grooved, so chapstick. Remember I had chapstick on here too? Same thing, chapstick and stick it on there. Alright guys, so that's how you do the clutch cover on a 02 Harley Davidson XLH 883. Hopefully it was informative. Hopefully, I mean, when I looked on YouTube, I didn't exactly see somebody do it. If they did, I missed it. Couldn't find it. It happens. So, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. And hope to clarify exactly what I did or how I did it. Alright, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.